Hello, welcome to Blessings, Aroma and Beauty. Please, if you are new here, subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. And also don't forget to turn on the notification button so you'll be the first to watch my new videos. Thank you. And in today's video, we are going to be eating healthy. So we're going to start by cooking healthy, right? So here I have some cooking spray. Yes, I'm just going to spray it in the pan. And then after that, I will go ahead and add some ginger mixed with habanero pepper and also onion seasoning. And I'm going to add some salt as well, and then garlic powder, and other spices as well. So when I'm done adding all the spices, I'm just going to go ahead and add the mushrooms. Really healthy recipe, okay? You cannot go wrong with it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cover up and let some juiciness come out from the mushrooms. Did you see that? So I'm gonna add the other ingredients as well, or veggies as well, okay? you.